Hello dear, welcome back to my channel BRO SIS ENGLISH, and in this video I'm going to talk about study and situation. Yes, relationship between study and situation, because there are many students, they are worried. I have bad situations, my situations are opposite, then how can I study? So let's start this video. And don't worry dear, if you have some wrong circumstances. What does it mean, circumstances? Yeah, most of the time I speak circumstances. So circumstances is synonyms of situation. Yes my dear friends, so I think that you have get this, you have gotten, not get, because get as the first form or gotten as third form, and in future, not future, in present perfect we use third form of the verb. So it was a point of grammar. You have understood this point. So my dear friends, many people say that I cannot work, I cannot study in wrong situations if my situations are opposite. For example, if I am ill and yes, tomorrow I'll go for an exam, then I will not study today because I am ill. So this is the problem of people. They say in opposite situations I cannot study, but if you will provide me positive, good, better, best situations and best facilities, then I will study. So my dear friends, it can never be happen. Yeah, it can never be with you. Why? If only rich and rich person has facility, that person becomes great. So it doesn't means it means every rich person and every wealthy. If there is one person he is wealthy, so his son will be great. No, dear. Most of the students, most of the sons and daughters of wealthiest people doesn't, yeah, do not become great. Why? Because they have lots of facilities. They say that my father is a prime minister, there is no need to study. My father will give me job immediately because my father is prime minister, my father is president. So that's why they people don't do hard work. But you are in middle class family and you have not lots of facilities, so that's why my dear friends, you all will have to do work for your success, definitely. And you know, if you work, if you study, if you put your 100% in your study, then you get lots of experience and you become successful only by yourself, by your hard work, by your mentality, by your mindset. So it is better than that. In my opinion, it's better than that, and you all are very great. And one thing I would like to tell you, listen to me carefully, that's very important for all of you. Listen. So if you do normal things in normal situation, then it is a normal thing. What does it mean? If you do normal work in normal situation, then it is a normal thing. But if you do that normal thing, that normal work in abnormal situation, so it is abnormal thing. So I think that you have get this point. What does it mean? If you are not ill and you are working, you are studying, so that's normal. But if you are ill, if you are sick, but still then you are studying, you are doing your work, you are going to school, so it is abnormal thing. So try to do abnormal thing. Never do all the time normal things. Yeah, you must do normal things, but try to do abnormal things. So that's it my dear friends. Never give up because of your situations, and never say I'm not powerful, I cannot fight with these situations, I have this problem, I have this problem, I cannot fight with every problem. You know why God has given you problem? Because you are hero, you are very powerful, you have power to destroy every problem, you have power to face every problem. That's why you have lots of problems, lots of difficulties. You know, like how much difficulties you will face, then that much you will be great. understand and try to do your work and give your 100%. If for me, I'll try to give my level best. I'm doing my best for all of you. Believe in me, my dear friends. So that's it. If this video is inspiring, helpful and motivational for all of you, so please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, to your relatives. So that's it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye dear.